previous episodes on, I think एक तो ये होता है कि hi Avneet, how are you? ये तो मतलब होता ही होता है. How I'm treating you. This question I'm so bored of right now, Renil. I can't even. Everybody is. So this is the first, and the second one would be वो Aladdin कब शुरू हो रहा है?
Correct. This how are you question video लोगों को समझना चाहिए कि it's a lockdown and people are not really doing much. So whatever I was yesterday is the same today. Nothing much has changed.
So my best friend also, I talk to her every day. So she's like, what's so? I'm like, don't ask me that. I'll slap you now. Shut up.
Oh God. Yeah, I know the feeling. Okay, Afri baby is asking which type of husband, I think she means husband, you want in future?
Bro, I never thought about that. Like, nobody has asked me about my husband. Like, chalta hai, but like, what is husband?
She's 18 years old. Okay, she has a few like good. How many ever years she wants before something like this can happen?
Time hai, please. अभी मुझे नहीं सोचना है शादी के बारे में.
But you did talk about the kind of if you were to date someone in the future, if you were in a relationship in the future, you did speak about the kind of boyfriend that you want on the show.
I did speak about it because you asked me that, and I don't want to shy.
You don't have to talk about it now. They should go watch the episode to know the answer.
Yeah. Go and watch to know what sort of boyfriend I want to date, like what sort of boy I want to date.
But tell me, जब lockdown होता है and everyone's home, it's been 3 months, we're all confined to our houses. Obviously, see, we love our family, we love everybody, that's all great. But then it's not the same when you're just confined with them in one house 24/7 for 3 months, right? So how has it been? झगड़े हो रहे हैं? Is it happening?
मैं तो मतलब क्या बताऊं, मेरे भाई के साथ मेरे बहुत झगड़े होते हैं और ऐसा होता है कि झगड़ा हुआ ठीक हो गया, झगड़ा हुआ सॉर्ट हो गया, फिर झगड़ा हुआ. So it's like a routine right now that we're going to fight and then sort हो ही जाएगा, then fight and then sort हो ही जाएगा. So that is what's happening right now. And no, I'm not bored of I'm not bored of talking to my parents or maybe all that, because I never get the chance to literally like communicate, sit with them. So I'm just I'm just doing the most of it right now.
Yeah, because after this we're all going to go back to the schedule where you don't have time for anything else.
Exactly. So I'm just really thankful that I've got this time to spend with my family right now.
Correct. Tell me, if it's something that you wanna see. I know that social media is a place where there's a lot of love, there's a lot of hate. We have spoken about this on the show. Tell me, is there something that you want to tell the people that hate you, and then we'll talk about the people that love you. But tell me, the people that and sometimes I feel like the kind of things that people say are not okay, and I'm like, don't say this to. And I always tell people that if you can't say this to somebody's face, then don't type it in the comment section or in the DM. Never do that. This is not okay. Tell me what is one thing that you want to tell them.
I would just like to tell everybody that I would just like to inform everybody how important it is to stay positive and spread positivity wherever you are, be it in your real life, be it on your social media life, be it anywhere. Like, it's really important to try to motivate people rather than putting them down, because it's really of thing that we want to do in life. And I always feel like you should concentrate on yourself rather than be judgmental about somebody else's life you don't even know about. And you should just try to compliment each other. This is life, and we should just happy throughout.
And you guys, everybody that's listening, I want you guys to know that you don't know what the other person is going through, right? Obviously, you don't know the person personally, so you don't really know on an everyday basis what they're going through. So when you put a comment, obviously not everybody has the time to go through these comments and every comment, so you might not read it. But there's that one moment when you just see that comment, it might just affect you really bad. So you don't want that to happen to anybody because of you, So let's be kind.
Yes, it's very important to be kind.
Yeah, absolutely. Tell me, you also have, we talk about haters because there's just like, it tends to affect you a lot more. Tell me about the love though, because I know there are so many fan pages. There's been so much love that I've also been receiving because we did this episode, because all of these people have been DMing, they've been tagging me in stories, and they've been saying such great things. Tell me, what do you want to tell them? Because that's amazing. Like, you have 11 million followers on Instagram, and how many on TikTok?
I think 22 million or something.
The collective of about what 38 million on these two platforms, and about like close to a million on YouTube. So that's about 40 million in total. Tell me, what do you want to tell them?
I don't know what I have done to deserve this, this genuine love from them, but I really feel I am blessed that I'm on stage and I'm able to entertain them. Yeah, they really feel entertained when I post stuff and post videos and photos and TikToks and stuff like that. They're always complimenting me. They're always, trying to hype me up, like, Avneet, you go girl, we love you are everything to us. And I see so many fan arts, so many video edits that they do, and so much time they take to do all these things. So I just feel that I should always try to make them happy, and I should always try to make them entertained, and I should be happy that there are millions and millions of people who look up to me and who really think that I am something in life. So even if I'm feeling low, if I'm down, I should always remember one thing, that I have my family and that I have my fans with me.
Yeah, that's fantastic. On that note, I wanna tell people this one thing. It's my point of view. You take it however you want to. Because I've been getting these messages, right? I've been getting these messages and all the posts and these comments. I want people to know that you are an actor also. So you might be paired with different people, right? So, that's your job as an actor, to be paired with different people, to act with different people. So that's okay. So, your love is for her. So show it, whichever pair she's coming in with. It's a part of a job to work with different people, to be paired with different people. So, and that's great. It's work.
Yeah, obviously it's work. Yeah, there are going to be so many different things that I have to do. Like, it's just the beginning for me. Yeah. So yeah, whatever you said, that I completely agree with
Word. Tell me, you are. I know that I find saying this because it blows my mind, because 18 years old, so unknowing. It's the first thing that I've heard. But tell me, 10 years from now, when you're going to be 28, where do you sort of see yourself? What is that one big plan that you really want to do?
All right. So many people don't know about this, but I really want to become
Become?
A director.
Wow.
Yeah, I want to direct, and I want to do movies and all. That's like my dream job. I hope that it happens. I do wish. So
That's
yeah.
fab. That's fab. Are you sort of training yourself to? See, obviously there is time. You have the one good thing about starting early is because you have the luxury of time. Like, you have that time to sort of learn and like grow and all of that. Have you started like training yourself to become a director? Are you sort of doing courses or learning about it and stuff like that?
I just finished with my 12th, so I just gave my exams, and I'm still waiting for the results. But yeah, definitely I would.
She said she finished with 12th.
Please don't make me feel this way, Daniel.
I swear to God, I'm 25. A lot of people think that I'm much older and that I have a family and all that. I don't. I swear to God, I'm 1994 born. So I'm not that old. But right after I asked you, what do you see yourself doing when you're 28? I was like, that's like 3 years from where I'm right now. What do I want to do?
No, but you're doing great. Everybody loves you. Peace.
Thank you for this. Thank you for this validation, Avneet. I needed it. Okay, so you have just finished your 12th. You're waiting for your results to come in, and then.
Yeah. And once my results are there, like they've come, and then I'll do something in maybe I'll take BMM or something like that. I'll do some course in that, and definitely I feel what is more important for us actors who want to become directors is that to explore everything whenever you are on set, and it's really
Very
important, take a look and observe everything what is happening around. So I think it's better to actually do it, like be on sets and try to see people rather than
good.
taking up some professional course.
Yeah.
But I do that definitely, but I want to see it for myself also.
Yeah, very cool. Okay, Avneet, I have a very important question because मेरे actually काफी सारे दोस्त हैं जो industry से है और they're about to become actors, they're about to get launched and all of that. काफी
Mm-hmm.
सारे लोग जो actors बनना चाहते हैं वो they don't really complete their education. They are basically like by the time they figure it out they don't even finish their 12. They're like there's no point in training in this because हम तो martial arts में training करेंगे, acting में training करेंगे, dancing में training करेंगे. But I feel like education is very important. Like going to school and going to
Mm-hmm.
college because that's an experience, right? Why do you think? Because you just said that that you finished 12th and you're going to do BMM or something like that. After you will decide